Hello friend, this is Azim. Today I'm going to make you to practice one of my favorite breath work, which is called box breathing. In this breath work, this is very simple and very effective. We are just supposed to breathe in at the count of 4, then we'll hold same at the count of 4, we'll exhale at the count of 4, and then we'll hold at the count of 4, right? So sit in a comfortable position and let's practice with me. So inhale at the count of 4 through your nostril. Hold. Slowly exhale at the count of 4. Again hold. So this is the one breath which will maximum take 20 seconds. So whenever you're feeling blue, you're stressed out and you feel like to take a break, just do 3 to 6 breath of the box breathing and you will feel good.